brother, I love you. There ain't nothing I wouldn't do for you. My sister, I miss you. There are so many things I wanna tell you. 'Cause together we fought.
Alright, so we got our box mixers here, making up the boxes for the stuff to go inside.
We cry, but nothing comes in between. We're together for life. Never above you, I'm never below you. Always.
And then we move it over onto this side. We put some bathroom stuff in there, so the box is ready to go in. Check it out.
No, I'm never above ya, I'm never below ya, always beside ya.
Okay, so on this side we got the fruits. We got everybody picking the fruits over here. I'll take you around here. Come down to Vinnies. It's a good organization where everybody's helping out, everybody's giving back. Okay, we're in the kitchen area. We're coming up to where the boys are, the young ones. So
I could be without you and my father. We're just like each other in everything I do. Well, I got it from you. Oh, 'cause together we fought and together we cried. Nothing comes in between. We're together for life. I'm never above you, I'm never below ya, always beside ya. Oh, I'm never above you, I'm never below ya, always beside ya.
As you can see, we are currently putting chicken in a bag. Then it gets scaled over there. Weighed, scaled, same thing.
So this is where the boys are, doing all the frozens, getting the mahi done. I think we're gonna have a break soon. We already filled up one full box, so yeah, we'll be moving on from there. For giving up your Saturday to come and do this, how does that feel?
It feels good.
Yeah?
It feels good when you think about the families who will actually, who will benefit from what we're doing today.
Yep.
There's a lot of families, hardworking families who are struggling.
Still struggling, eh?
Ends meet. So put this in your mind when you're doing that. It's nothing.
Alright. Mate, how's it?
Great.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's actually really fun.
Really fun?
Even though we're just tying knots, but it's fun.
So for a young person like yourself, you know, you guys will usually be out, you know, ka'aing and kawhauing.
At the mall?
Yep. But today you've given up your hours and your day to come and do this. Why is it? It's worth it.
We're helping all the families that are less fortunate.
Nice. Awesome. Thank you. In case your smoke is over, heading back in, we're round 2, and we finish off the day.
Hey, oh, ooh, hey, yeah. Ooh, there comes a time in everyone's life. No room for mistrust, no room for hate. So open up your eyes.
Hey, brother.
Hey,
Cool. So, what are we doing here at Vinnies?
Vinnies organization, charity organization that provides lots of services, but we're in the warehouse. And today we're supporting the team with packages for families in need. Yeah, it's pretty much all these guys are all here volunteering to help that.
Nice. So, how often do we get this going?
Once a month, and obviously every month is a different time depending on the demand and what they need done. So yeah, it's different.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.
Nice.
And don't look away. Ooh, yeah. Quality in life that's hard to find.
Well, we're almost done for the day. We did our bit, man. Hope you guys find it in your guys' hearts to come out and give a hand at Vinnies, man. Really good course. Everybody here is on happy vibes, so come on.
It's time to get out. Step out into the street.
Like a child with an open mind. Tenderness, sensitive to a smile. Hey. Beautiful children have come into my life. Beautiful people, oh, young and bright.
Hey, bro, what's your name?
Ellery.
Hey, man. Bro, do you always do this? Do you always come and volunteer your time?
This is just my first time here.
First time?
Yeah.
What made you come out? You know, you're a young fella, man. You should be at home playing the games.
I'm coming back.
Right. So you enjoyed it?
Yes.
Awesome, bro. Nice to see you, bro.
So,
Longing for life. Worldly people take away.
Oh, so we're kind of Vinnies Tamaki Makaurau, which is kind of a Catholic lay organization, Society of St. Vincent de Paul. You probably see those little op shops around. Yeah, so that's us. So this is kind of a monthly, we have different groups scheduled on throughout the week. But this one here is our community where families can come. And so this one is a monthly one. We have anything up to like today, 80 people turn up. And I guess with Easter really busy and everybody doing Lent, people want to give back. So yeah, so we have school groups. We're in about 16 colleges, and the schools come in after school like twice a week to do this. So Vinnies is a charity that's dedicated to the care of people. Been around for 150 years. This is kind of the new addition, as you see all our young generators coming through. So it's social services, it's the food bank, this is one part of it. We have community development stuff, there's youth development, the young people in school, teaching young people how to reach out and build projects to help their community. It's our biggest platform is about providing spaces so people can give back.
Nice.
So they have like a lot of capability programs around finances, teaching people how to budget their money. There's employment pathways, and we also have a social enterprise kitchen next door. And that kitchen cooks like hundreds of meals to send out to people. So to give you a sense of the scale, last year there was about 22,000 referrals for here for food support. And this is what helps. These are the people that put it together to send it out. So we're hoping to get the same kai out there. Right now in New Zealand, food insecurity is really bad. As you know, there's a lot of budget funding cuts. And so we're having people, we're in Onehunga, people are driving as far as like Pukekoi, Helensville just to come, and these are working families. And so it's quite serious. So any support, donations, any support, manpower, let us know, and we'll bring you in.
Awesome. So what would you say to the viewers out there that would want to come and help? Where can they find you?
So you can find us on Facebook. There's Vinnies Youth that are out there, so that's kind of the cohort. There's a membership out there if you join, and then they can also kind of message through if they want to.
Awesome, Vinnies.
Cool, Vinnies.
Vinnies.
Yeah.
Awesome. Cheers. Thank you.
Beautiful children have come into my life. Beautiful people, oh, young and bright.
Beautiful children longing for life. Worldly people take away, yeah.
Love is the only element, love is everything we saying. Bring it together, let's start God singing, we praying. Asking for another day to make a better choice. Stand up for the child that got no voice.
We have to love our babies, love our children, keep them safe now. Cause them are the future, show them love, they know the way now. They need joyfulness, happiness, solid love. May the angels guide them, protect from up above. One love.